Meng Biker Girl, a great addition to any static model. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Meng Biker Girl. Now this is a 1/9 scale hand resin model, and it's to accompany your 1/9 scale model bike that you're building. Specifically, it was for the Meng Kawasaki H2, but I'm pretty sure with a little bit of modification and manipulation, you can get it to fit just about any 9th scale bike, or even 10th or 12th scale car even for that matter. And I think it's a really cool figure. Let's jump in the box and have a look. Beautiful, beautiful box work. Obviously in a bit of anime sort of feature. Now we've got the instructions. And they're really cool, quite simplistic. There's only 16 parts to this model, which makes it really quite easy to do. You know, it's not all jointed, but I'm sure there is enough joints there to get a bit of movement out of it. And that's how she looks. So there's clearly 4 sets of eyes. Looks like we've got a clear set of glasses here, which is really cool. Got a gloves, outfit. That's cool. Let's have a look at the detail. I'm sure it's going to be phenomenal. I'm going to start here with the jacket and have a look at the detail, and you're going to zoom right in here if I can. Have a look at the detail on the zipper and on the torso and the fabric. That is absolutely amazing. And that's what you don't get with an injection molded model. Just that extra level of detail. It's looking fantastic. Okay, come over here to the hair. Now that is really, really fine. Again, in an anime sort of style, but really good detail and depth on the hair and the head figure. Now coming over to one of the arms, the straight arm. Again, look at all the detail and the texture in the textiles and the fabrics. It's looking really good. We've got decals for the eyes. Now, like I said, we've got 4 sets, different colors, same pose. And these are the clear glasses that I was talking about, the goggles. That's a really nice touch. Now you could tint these or add these in any color you wanted. Really nice touch there. And of course we've got the long leg, and it really doesn't need any finishing. Obviously you've got to cut it off the sprue, if you will, off the molding, but the texture itself, the final finish, doesn't need any to little going over whatsoever. Let's have a look at one of the boots. Again, we've got laces on there, got the tread, got all the creases in the fabric work here, make it look really good. Yeah, that is really cool. That is the Meng Biker Girl, and I'm glad that we took the time to have a look at that. That's in 1/9 scale, and yeah, the Meng Biker Girl, a great addition to any static model, particularly your 1/9 scale motorbikes. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.